Hey everyone, this is an update story on John Earl the Squirrel Harrell. John Earl Harrell was a registered sex offender in the state of Florida. John Earl Harrell was recently arrested on 2 charges. One charge was for failure to comply with sex offender reporting requirements because he failed to register an email address with the sex offenders registry. The other charge that he was facing was soliciting a child for unlawful sexual conduct using computer services or devices. On January 5th, 2026, Earl the Squirrel Harrell had a pretrial court hearing.
All right, how are you? Well, there goes Earl.
Hey guys, I'm here at the Citrus County Courthouse where John Earl Harrell just had his hearing. At this hearing, the state's attorney made a deal with John Earl Harrell. The state's attorney offered to drop the failure to register his email address in exchange for a guilty plea to the charge of soliciting a child for unlawful sexual conduct using computer services or devices. Earl accepted a plea deal for 3 years and 4 months in prison, with credit for 75 days time served. Earl's now sitting in the Citrus County Jail, awaiting transport to one of the Florida Department of Corrections reception centers, where he'll be processed and start off his prison sentence. In his plea deal, John Earl Harrell accepted financial responsibility for court costs and other fees, including $56,250 for the cost of state incarceration and $3,750 for his cost of county incarceration. The total amount owed is $60,845. Earl has worked at the ZEPHYRHILLS Burger King for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to give him his job back, but I'm sure he's going to have to work for a very long time at some kind of job to pay this financial obligation that he agreed to pay. Here at the end of this video, I'm going to add a copy of the arrest report for you to read if you want to. Some of the things that he said in here and admitted to doing in his guilty plea is pretty disgusting. Like when the undercover chatter told him, "So I have to be honest, I'm not really 20. I'm 14. Is that okay? I'm trying to meet new people." John Earl Harrell's disgusting reply was, "Got me starting to touch myself even more." This is one sick piece of fucking trash, and I really hope he goes to a prison where justice will be served upon him.